In this video, I'm going to share about how to use some templates in MS Word. So while clicking up MS Word or document option, we have the document like this. So top of the corner we have the Office button. While clicking up Office button, it shows the various option. While go on to the new option, we can get the page like this. So top of the column, we have the first option as template. So now let me tell you about the template. Template is a file we can use to for template is a file we can able to create through certificate cards, business cards, as well as the book, as well as can able to create an design for that. So everything it is possible while using the already existing template, or else we can able to do we can able to create a new templates too. New templates is nothing but while clicking up the blank document option. So we in the while using blank document option, everything toolbar, as well as using the toolbar as well as the menu bar option, we can able to create a new templates too. But we can use the already existing templates. The templates, so while using the already existing templates, it's very much time saving thing for the business people. So every time, in the case of the business, every time need to send a letters, as well as see have to circulate the circulars. In such a cases, the template will be very helpful. So I just show you the option. Option like books. So there is no existing document in the books. So just yeah just I show you the report writing template over here. So this is nothing but the office report template. Office report template. So while using this templates, we can able to create the so we while clicking that, the create option will become like this. So while clicking up the option will become like this. So type of the document title, so we need to give some title of the document. Then we need to write the things whatever we want. So this is the way we can able to create the already existing template like this. So again, I'm moving on to the template option. So just I'm clicking over the option. Then just I there is no much options will be available. While we need anything, we can able to browse it too. Yeah, we can able to browse the document too. So in this way, we can able to create a template while using the MS Word. Then we can able to save the documents too. So if we wanted, if we need to create a new template, so we need to create a blank document like this. So blank document while appearing in the MS Word. So while using this blank document, as well as using top of the toolbars, we have the toolbars like arranging of everything. That is the paragraph arranging, font style, as well as the color. Font style also we have, say font size also we have. So while using this toolbar as well as the menu bar, we can able to create a new template, and we can able to save it in the MS template itself. Templates in MS Word itself. So this is what about the template in MS Word in short.